ever since riria tuonire maandamano ma Gen Z and tukoretwo tukigua shocking utterances from CS Kipchumba Murkomen,
na tumeambia polisi mtu yoyote mwenye atakaribia police station piga yeye risasi. Mtu yoyote
are we really in safe hands under the leadership of CS Kipchumba Murkomen, Interior CS? Antonio muthenya uria kwari na maandamano akijitokeza pale hivyo, and there were very many security features kore kuna razor wires na maundu macio mothe. After maandamano tugicoka tukirwa ati all those Gen Zs aria meyumiritie ati those were terrorists who were trying to kupindua serikali. They were trying a coup against the current government.
What unfolded yesterday was not a protest. It was terrorism disguised as dissent. There was no peaceful demonstration. It was riots, chaos and anarchy.
No horocio adu marakorwo magikira, but if you can remember very well, muthenya ucio wa mururungano Antonio police station kadhaa cigicinwo muno kuria Kikuyu, Makongeni, Nyandarua and other police stations. No horo urakorwo ukiarerio na njira imwe nene muno. And Kipchumba Murkomen went to visit Kikuyu police station na eko araheana orders ciramakiria akenya na njira imwe nene muno, because he gave shoot to kill orders to police. Ati hari mundu wothe ukuonekana agithi police station atari na intention njega afati gukorwo akirathwo akue. Oho bado arakorwo akiuga ati thigari aria mekuhusikana ashuguri iyo ya ku shoot to kill, they will be defended in court. Ugo niguo ararekiria gukorwo akiuga na umuthi tokorwo tukiona a lot of resistance kuma kwi thigari. Polisi wanasema manze this can't happen, udo ndugikorwo ki happen because watho ni ukoretwo ugikania mundu gukorwo akirathana in a situation where you should not be doing that, in a situation where that person can be arrested and arraigned in a court of law.
Na nataka niulize politicians, hii kitu itaendelea mpaka lini? You created this thing, people have been injured. Yani nyinyi politicians mumefanya hii vita inakaa ni dhidi ya askari na raia, because I don't see the reason why a police officer anatakiwa kuwa injured to that level because of a mess that he or she didn't create. Naangalia a civilian, a Kenyan, mtu anapigwa risasi kwa sababu ya kuamka asubuhi na kuwapigia kura nyinyi. Akinawaambia Mungu aliye juu mbinguni, God is a rewarder of the actions of men. Mkiwa mmekaa kwa TV zenu kwa nyumba, nini mzuri mmeona leo? Imagine mkiwa juu ya mandege, ni kitu gani mzuri mmeona leo? Mkiwa mmekalia import the best coaches in the world, nataka muniambie ni nini mmeona leo mzuri? Those on the street, be it is a police officer or a civilian, those are my brothers and sisters. A political mess, it has messed everything. Nataka nikuulize tu, nyinyi wanasiasa, leo kwa headlines za leo, nini kitu mzuri mmeona kwa Citizen ama KTN ama NTV ama KBC? Nasikia mwili inachamuka kwa uchungu. Moyo wangu unavunjika ndani. My eyes are so teary of the events that I've seen in TikTok. Na you will come back tomorrow and chest thump venye amutishwi, venye some of you have been in politics for so many years. When will politics stop taking the lives of people? Today there is a child who has been left without a dad. Leo kuna mtoto ambaye aliajiliwa kazi ya askari, leo anarudi kwa boma akiwa na injuries za maisha. Kuna mtoto tu amekuja shule Nairobi, atarudi bila degree nyumbani kwa sababu atarudi akiwa ndani ya coffin. Niambieni watu yangu, kwani nyinyi are you people colonizers? Mko na damu kweli ya Kikenya kweli? Do you even have tribes that you come from? Ama tutuambiani ukweli, mumezaliwa dunia gani? As a father, as a parent, this has broken me 100 times. those youth, those young ones, my sisters, my brothers, I don't care if they were in uniform or not. All that I care, they are people that they are Kenyans who can be a reader somewhere, who is very sober, who will sit down and wake up tomorrow chest thumping how they are great in politics.
Na at least there is a case study. Tuna case study ya case ya the late Albert Ojwang. Andũ arĩa moragire Albert Ojwang, the junior officers, nĩo thaa ici marang'ang'ana kwĩji defend kũrĩ igoti-inĩ. Whereas the big people are going scot free. Rĩu wacoka woka wera thigari nĩ wamahe rũtha marathe andũ, na wamera atĩ ona mangĩgathitangwo nĩ ũkama represent igoti-inĩ. The big question is, no ũcio ũkarũgama hau bao-inĩ? Ũhoro nĩ ũtũmĩte thigari nyingĩ mũno. Nĩ nyonete nginya mavideo thigari makirekereria mavideo na makiuga atĩ kidogo mkubwa hapa hivi you are misleading us because gũtingĩthiĩ na mbere in this way, especially at a time when ngori ĩno nĩ ya Gen Zs na these old politicians. But now these politicians have diverted ngori ĩno ĩtuĩke ya Gen Z na thigari. Right now the tension is very big gatagati ka Gen Z na borithi a Kenya because wanaonekana ka enemies. Guonaga one of the thigari akiuga ati nginya family yake thiko ici nĩ ramu reject because aronekana eta one of like the black sheep, mũndũ tangĩtĩkio, mũndũ ta na ũhoro ũyũ wothe it is leading to something. The rivalry has been shifted from Gen Z to old politicians rivalry to Gen Z's and police rivalry. What will be next? Agikorwo turonire the first time they're trying that shift, police station kadhaa nĩ ciacinwo. So what next in the next maandamano? The rift between Gen Z's and police is going to grow big. Na thigari makiroro marona wacha hiyo kazi ikae. We are against all cases cia thigari arĩa marakorirwo makĩhũrwo kana all the police who are roughed up by Gen Z's, but we are equally against all the demonstrators who are roughed up by police. Nitokora tukiona video nyingi muno actually wega wa maandamano maya ma Gen Z ni ati ona TV cingĩhorio, everyone has their phone, na nginya thaa ici kwĩna video cirarekererio cia maandamano. Up to right now nĩ njui gũtirĩ mũndũ wonete video ciothe cia maandamano, and nĩ tũrona harĩ video icio thigari cikĩrap up Gen Z mũno na Gen Z makĩrap up thigari mũno. What is the end game in this? Rigathi Gachagua mũthĩ auma interview kũrĩa NTV just a few minutes ago, na akorwo akiuga atĩ CS Kipchumba Murkomen is bloated with power to a point that ona ndari rada ya maũndũ marĩa arauga.
Kipchumba Murkomen is a young, excited cabinet secretary, full of himself because of money and power. He cannot, against the law, give instructions to police to shoot, to kill. To start with, when he was in Senate, he said that the National Police Service is independent and he cannot give them directions on what to do. Then here again, he is asking the police to shoot, to kill anybody within the vicinity of a police station. To start with, a police station is a public institution and members of public have every right to go to a police station. Even where you are protected areas like State House and installations of the Department of Defense, if people turn up there, you don't shoot them. You find out why they are there and arrest them if they are there for interior motive and charge them. Again, let me tell police officers. I had Kipchumba Murkomen telling police officers to shoot people and he'll protect them. That is a lie. And they should not believe him. And I want to tell the police officers, they have seen what has happened. The police officers who tortured and killed Albert Ojwang today are in custody. They are before court on their...
Haria turorete thaa ici tweta bururi. It is a critical place, and the big players now will be the old politicians in power, police and the Gen Zs. Na mwenye anafaa kuwe mjanja sana hapo hivyo ndio mambo ishe haraka. It's the police. If the police wako wajanja, this whole thing is over. Anyway guys, need you maoni makumegi uhoro yo. It has been a time when we are getting very shocking updates. Maundu maria yumiria mako makania muno. Mauria leaders aitu marauga. We are going to try and keep up with this. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.